All right, boys. And we got a girl here. What's that little girl doing, huh? Boys and one girl. Where you going there? Check her pants. What's up, everybody? We are out at MMX in Marysville for Triple Crown round number 5. So we got 6 rounds of this. They run 2 rounds each weekend. So 3 weekends, 6 rounds. That's how Triple Crown works around here. And so we got round number 5. It's Saturday. We did practice yesterday. Practice was muddy. Crazy mud. Some of the most ruts I've ever seen on this track. It's usually not that ready of a track. And then today it's a completely different track. It's kind of its normal thing today. So kids like it. Did our practice, get ready for first moto. Gonna do national anthem soon. Cameron rode his 85 yesterday and actually looked really good on it. So I think he's getting ready to start racing that here after the first of the year. And yeah, gonna have a good weekend of race. It's a little cold this morning, got the smudgy going. And gotta get these boys woken up because they got motos coming up pretty soon. Corbin's racing 65 beginner, 65 open. Cameron's racing 65 novice and 65 open. Both of them are right around top 5. So hopefully they come away with some hardware today. I think you are. Yeah, he's like, they're like 5th or 6th or something like that overall in points. So, anyways, I'm blabbing. Check out the 85. Got some new graphics from Cody. Check it out. It's all nice and shiny and bright. I did something totally different. Took a little inspiration from the snowmobiles. And it's pretty awesome. Anyways, check out all the action here the weekend. And thanks for watching, guys. Here we go. Whoa! And Logan with a, hey, let me see what you get. What is that? Hole shot from the outside with a nice little sweep. Good job, Logan. Good push, good attack, good charge, right? And
I was gonna get him in if he didn't go down.
No, and you were trying, and guess what? You just kept pushing, pressuring, made him nervous. He knew you were there, and he made a mistake and went down. So Hansen went down right before the first turn. So if you would have been on him, you would have passed him right at the last turn.
Hansen went down right at the end. So you could have.
I know. I just told him, I'm like.
That was good. That was right where you needed to be. Good job.
Corbin,
You're
riding good.
Mama, I screwed up on that.
Riding good. Just gotta turn the speed on.
Also,
Okay.
it's hard to do a shot.
up with that start? Good start. You almost had that hole shot.
Yeah, they come on the outside.
They were all those other kids were on that outside, but
I
you.
had to take the turn, and they could go straight, so couldn't do much.
That was a good start. You were in third, and they got passed a lot.
What place did I get?
I don't know. I don't know. We'll have to see.
I think. Come on, man.
Another hole shot for, did you get a hole shot? Yeah. Where's your thing? And you got a first?
Yeah.
Hole shot and a first for Hayden. He's like, yeah, whatever. I'm used to it. He ripped. All right, round number 5's all done and over with. Boys did all right. Cameron's actually charging and pushing it, kind of back to a little bit of his normal racing, so that was good. And then he ended up with a 7th in open and a 4th in novice. Corbin was kind of just cruising, so he was only getting, I think he got like, I don't know, like, I don't even know what he got. He was down there. But overall, they're doing pretty good. So we'll see how they do. But that's the end of round number 5. And next up, round number 6 to finish out the series.